So it's 8 o'clock. We're heading to the Chopard Classic Rally for Esquire Middle East. About to arrive in Burj Khalifa shortly. Well, the cars just keep on going. Look at that Renault, Mercedes, another Porsche, a wonderful Jag. Here's a classic car that we all know and love, DeLorean from the Back to the Future movies. Where's the time capacity? So our car for today is this Corvette, press car 29. Let's have a look. Pretty good. So here we are in our Corvette Stingray 1972 Esquire Middle East with our pro driver for the day, Gregory.
Hello. Hi everybody.
We've left Armani, well on our way on Ras Al Khor Road, heading towards Hatta Fort. So there's several checkpoints along the race, and what we do is...
Hello.
Good morning.
Not too hot, guys.
Morning, gentlemen.
Good.
You're running slightly late.
So we got our stamp at 10:40, having left at 9:29, and we have about another hour to get to Hatta Fort. I think we're doing well, and the car's doing well.
So far, so good, but let's be quiet. She's an old lady.
Born in 1972.
Exactly.
We arrive at the second checkpoint. Here we are. How are you? How are you?
Well done, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Welcome to the first RS1.
Thank you very much.
Half an hour left.
Go.
Go.
So here we are. We're stopped for lunch at Hatta Fort Hotel, and let's have a look at some of the cars. There's a great Jag here. And look at that, mint condition. It's number 15. Look at that Rolls Royce. That is practically new. Look at that. The Porsches just lined up. We're literally the last car to leave, but if we average 60 kilometers an hour over 3 hours and don't get any penalty points, we're still in it to win. We're almost there. A good 7-8 hour drive? What was it in total?
We left at 9-ish.
And we're coming back at...
So 9, 12, yeah, it's like a good 8 hours.
8 hour drive. Well, that's the end of the race. And as you can see, all the cars have parked up. And they're getting maintained for tomorrow. So tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's another day of the rally. Tomorrow we go to Jebel Hafid. So we'll catch you then.